Best Steam Mops. I bought and tested these Steam Mops so you don't have to waste your hard-earned money. After weeks of scrubbing, steaming, and sanitizing, I have the inside scoop on the top 5 Steam Mops available today. Let's dive into which ones truly deliver on their promises and which ones might just be hype. Product number 1, Shark Steam and Scrub Steam Mop. I recently got my hands on the Shark Steam and Scrub Steam Mop, and let me tell you, it's a game changer for anyone who hates scrubbing floors. This machine is not just a regular mop, it's an all-in-one scrubbing and sanitizing floor cleaner. Picture this. I'm ready to tackle my kitchen floors, and the moment I switch it on, I can see the steam rising, promising a deep clean. One of the standout features is its powerful scrubbing action, which automatically scrubs the floor with over 150 scrubs per minute. I felt like I had a little cleaning assistant doing all the hard work for me. The 4 dirt grip pads that come with it are perfect for picking up dirt and grime, and they're machine washable, which is a huge plus for me. I never liked the idea of constantly buying disposable mop pads. The XL water tank is another win. I could clean more area without frequent refills, which means fewer interruptions in my cleaning groove. The swivel steering made maneuvering around my furniture a breeze, and I loved the LED headlights that illuminated hidden messes in corners and under the couch. Product number 2, Shark Steam Mop with 2 washable dirt grip pads. Let's talk about the Shark Steam Mop with 2 machine washable dirt grip pads. This one caught my eye because it comes at a very reasonable price point while still promising impressive cleaning capabilities. When I first used it, I was pleasantly surprised by how lightweight it felt. I could easily carry it around the house without feeling fatigued. The removable water tank is a simple yet brilliant feature. I filled it up, clicked it back in place, and was off to the races. One of the first things I noticed was how quickly it heated up, ready to blast away dirt and grime in just a matter of seconds. The dirt grip pads did an excellent job of picking up debris, and since they're machine washable, I didn't have to worry about constantly buying replacements. I used it on various surfaces, laminate, tile, and hardwood, and it performed admirably across the board. Product number 3, Shark Steam Spot Steam Mop. Next up is the Shark Steam Spot Steam Mop, which comes packed with features that make it stand out. With its steam blaster technology and 3 steam modes, I was curious to see how it performed. Upon starting it up, I was impressed with the amount of steam it generated, which made tackling tough stains a lot easier. The XL removable water tank is a game changer. I didn't have to pause my cleaning to refill frequently, allowing me to cover more ground in one go. The 2 washable pads are excellent for absorbing moisture and dirt while providing the scrubbing power needed for stubborn spots. I was genuinely surprised by how well the 3 steam modes worked. The light mode was perfect for quick cleanups, while the normal and deep modes tackled everyday and tough messes respectively. Product number 4, Bissell PowerFresh Steam Mop. The Bissell PowerFresh Steam Mop is another contender that I had to try. What caught my attention was its promise of natural sanitization. I love that it uses just water to kill 99.9% of bacteria, which is a big deal for anyone concerned about household germs. I began my cleaning session with great anticipation, and it didn't disappoint. The flip-down easy scrubber was a feature I didn't know I needed until I tried it. I could easily switch from mopping to scrubbing stuck-on stains with just a flip of my wrist. The steam heated up quickly, and I appreciated the adjustable steam settings that allowed me to customize the cleaning intensity depending on the mess. When I used it on my tile floors, the results were impressive. They looked visibly cleaner and felt sanitized. On hardwood surfaces, it was gentle yet effective, a feature that is often hard to find in steam mops. However, I did notice that the water tank is relatively smaller compared to others, which meant more frequent refills during larger cleaning tasks. Product number 5, Shark Steam and Scrub with Steam Blaster Technology. Finally, I had to test the Shark Steam and Scrub with Steam Blaster technology. This one is on the higher end, but boasts some impressive features that make it stand out. The powerful performance is evident the moment you start using it. The combination of targeted steam blasts and automatic scrubbing makes it feel like you have a professional cleaning service right in your home. I was particularly impressed by the 3 steam modes, light, normal, and deep, that catered to different mess levels. The automatic scrubbing mop head is a fantastic feature. It did all the hard work for me, allowing me to glide effortlessly across my floors. The LED headlights are a thoughtful addition, illuminating hidden dirt in corners and under furniture that I often miss with traditional mops. While it's a bit pricier than other models, I felt that the performance justified the cost, especially when it came to stubborn stains. After testing these top 5 steam mops, I can confidently say that each has its strengths. Whether you prioritize budget, performance, or advanced features, there's a steam mop here that fits your needs. Choose wisely and happy cleaning!